ChatGPT launched in 2022 and the world went crazy. But here is what nobody tells you. Artificial intelligence didn't just start in 2022. It didn't start with Google. It didn't start with Elon Musk. The real story of AI goes back over 70 years. It involves a bold war, a single question that changed everything, a Chinese startup that deleted 600 billion in one day, and a company that went from 0 to 380 billion in just 4 years. This is the complete history of AI from 1950 to right now in 2026. And by the end of this video, the way you think about artificial intelligence is going to completely change. Let's get into that. Before we even getting into AI, I want you to think about something. Human have always built things by copying nature. The bullet trains in Japan, that sleek nose that cut through air at 300 kilometers per hour, engineers were struggling with it for years. Every time it came out of the tunnel at high speed, it created a massive shock wave that disturbed people living nearby. And then one engineer, who happened to be a bird watcher, remembered the kingfisher. That bird dives from the air into the water at insane speed and barely make a splash. He copied the exact shape of the kingfisher bee and put it in the nose of the train, and shockwave is gone, problem solved, energy efficiency improved by 15%. We call it as biomimicking, copying nature's design. And we done it forever. For example, we watched birds and built flights. We watched bats and built radar. And we are the world's greatest copycats. And the most ambitious thing we ever decided to copy is the human brain. Which honestly, when you see how complex brain actually is, makes you wonder who actually designed that originally. But that's a completely different story. Let's keep going. Let's go back to 1950. World War II just ended 5 years ago. The world is actually rebuilding. A British mathematician, a man who literally helped crack the Nazi Enigma code, shortened the war, sit down and he writes a paper. His name is Alan Turing. He asked one question in that paper. Can machine think? 3 words. That's it. And those 3 words launched one of the most important technological journeys in human history. Turing proposed something called as imitation game. The idea is simple as this. Put a machine and a human in separate rooms, ask them question through a text interface. If you genuinely cannot tell which one is the machine, and the machine passes the test. Now we call this as Turing test. And this wasn't just a thought experiment. It became the definition of artificial intelligence for next 50 years. Every single AI system that you use today, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Cloud, they all exist because Alan Turing asked this one question in 1950. 6 years after Turing's paper, that is 1956, a summer conference at Dartmouth College in United States. A small group of scientists gathered and they officially coined a term that we now hear every single day, artificial intelligence. Their goal was bold. They wanted to build a machine that could do anything that human minds can do. In hindsight, that was wildly optimistic. The next 30 years were brutal. Big promises, exciting headlines, then nothing. Funding collapsed, research stalled, scientists keep hitting the same walls. Computers were powerful enough. There wasn't enough data. And nobody really understand how learning actually worked. This era got a name which is called as the AI window. Not one window, 2 of them actually. One in 70s, one in late 80s. Twice the world gave up on artificial intelligence and twice it came back. Because the core idea never went away. That question Alan Turing asked in 1950 never had a satisfying answer yet. Then in 1980s and 90s, a new idea started to change everything. And honestly, this idea is the foundation of every AI tool you are using right now. It is called as machine learning. And here is the simplified version. So in old AI, programmers manually write every single rule. If then, that. If this, the other thing. Thousands of rules, all written by hand. The problem over here is the real world is too complex for manual rules. What if we stop writing rules entirely? What if we just show the machine millions of examples and let it figure out pattern itself? Think about it. How a child learned a language. You don't just sit down with a 2-year-old and teach them grammar. You don't do verbs and all other things. You just talk to them, read to them every single day. And somehow they learn. So machine learning is exactly the same idea. But instead of child, it's a computer. Yeah. And instead of years, it takes hours. Feed it enough data, let it find the pattern and let it learn. This shift from rule-based programming to machine learning is the single most important turning point in the entire history of artificial intelligence. Everything after that is built on that particular idea. Fast forward to 2012, there is a global competition called as ImageNet. And the challenge, build an AI that can correctly identify what's in a photograph. Every major research lab in the world was competing. And a team from University of Toronto led by a researcher named Jeffrey Hinton ended with something completely different. A deep neural network. A system loosely inspired by how neurons connect into the human brains. Layer after layers of connected nodes, each one learning significantly more complex pattern than the other one. They didn't just win the competition. They actually destroyed it. Their error rate was 10.8%. The next best team was 28%. Not a small improvement, not an incremental improvement, a complete category of result. AI research world lost its mind. Within months, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, all of them start pouring billions into deep learning. Jeffrey Hinton went on to win Nobel Prize on his work on neural networks. And the technology behind that in 2012 competition, that's the same technology inside ChatGPT, Google Gemini, every major AI system you use today. And somewhere around 2022, everything changed. AI stopped being a research topic and it became part of daily life. ChatGPT launched in November 2022 and it got about 100 million users in 2 months, faster than any technology in history. Your phone has AI, Google Search AI, Netflix recommendation AI, Spotify playlist AI. The business world went crazy. Microsoft invested about $80 billion in AI for 2025 alone. Meta 65 million, Amazon, Google, AI, all raising, all spending, all desperate to stay ahead. And then January 27, 2025, something happened. A Monday morning, Chinese startup called as DeepSeek, that almost nobody in the West ever heard of it, quietly released an AI model called as DeepSeek Carver. It performed just as well as ChatGPT and Google's best model. Okay, interesting, but not shocking yet, right? Here is the shocking part. They built it for $6 million, while US companies were spending hundreds of millions, even billions per model. This team built something equivalent to $6 million. The Nvidia, the company that makes chips for powering all this AI, lost $100 billion in market value in one single day, the largest single day market loss in the stock market in 24 hours because of one AI model from a startup nobody knew. Now, I want to tell you about a company I find most fascinating in the entire story. It's called as Anthropic. Founded in 2021 by a group of researchers who left OpenAI. They didn't leave because of money, they left because they were worried. They believed AI was moving too fast with not enough care about safety. So they started their own company with one goal: build an AI that is faster and more reliable. They built an AI called as Cloud. And what happened next is almost hard to believe. Amazon invested about $8 billion, Google $2 billion, Nvidia invested in early 2026, and on 12th of 2026, Anthropic raised $30 billion in single funding round, valuing the company about $380 billion. A company that did not exist 4 years ago, now worth $380 billion. For context, that is more than Ford, General Motors, and Boeing combined. And when Anthropic launched a new product called as Cowork, an AI that handles your PowerPoint, Excel, legal documents, and financial reports, legal software stocks and financial software stocks crashed the same day because investors looked into it and asked, if AI can do all these things, what happened to every company currently charging thousands of dollars at the same time? That is because of one product launch, one announcement. So that is the world we are living in right now. That's the real story of artificial intelligence. From Alan Turing to asking a question, can machine really think in 1950, to a single AI product announcement crashing stock market in 2026. 25 years, two AI windows, billions of dollars. One question didn't go away. Can machine really think? The answer to that is right now is complicated. But here is what not complicated. AI is no longer coming. It's already here. It's already changing jobs, industries, entire economics faster than any technology in history. The question isn't whether AI affects you. The question is, are you going to understand it well enough to use it as your advantage? So in the next video, we will be talking about this. If that sounds useful to you, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. And if you want to go deep into any part of the story, drop it in the comments. I try to read every single one of it.